Hi guys, this is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do something that has been long overdue, and that is tackle with these dirty makeup brushes. So as you can see, I have some really dirty makeup brushes here. And I want to just share with you guys how I actually clean my makeup brushes. So it's very simple, very easy, not that big of a fuss. The first thing I use here is, I'm just going to hold it right there where you can see, Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap. It's all natural. I actually got mine from Sprouts, but you can get it from Whole Foods. You can get it from Target. So I have that, and I am going to use that with some warm water. And the thing about this, it goes a long way. So you don't have to use a lot of it. So I'm going to put, oops, really fast came out right there. I would say about 15 drops should do. You may not even need that many. I just know these are very dirty. And so I have to get them clean. So the first thing I do is I take the brush, and I'm going to just start with this one, and I just kind of swirl it right into the water like that. Just kind of do a circular motion, and I go in and out and around just like that. Look at there. I mean, it's already almost just as clean as it can be. And I'm going to even do a little extra cleaning on it. Okay, now try not to spill it like I just did. But I'm going to even do a little extra cleaning on it. And I'll show you in the next step. But let me just go ahead on and kind of get all of these a good little whisk. I call it my little pre-wash. And you see, this is really dirty. So, of course, when it's like this, guys, you may have to start over with a little more fresh water, because you definitely want to make sure your water isn't too dirty. You know, want to pull everything out, but you also want it to really give it a good clean. So, guys, I'm going to change this water so I can clean the rest of my brushes. I'll be right back. We're back again with some fresh water, and again some soap. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, about 15 drops should do it. Okay, now let's go back to this one, because this one, it really turned the water dirty. So I'm just going to mix that in like that. We just want to try to submerge nothing but the brush in the water. I think I'm going to just pour a little of this out. This may be a little too deep, because I don't want to get the metal part, if I can, not in the water. If you can avoid that, that'll be good. Okay. Yep. So remember, this is just like the pre-wash. So if it's still kind of like not getting the, if it's not getting as clean as you want, don't worry. We have a second step to this process. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead on, guys, and continue to do these brushes. Sometimes I do 2 at a time, believe it or not. Just take them just like this. Go around. So I'm going to continue doing this step till I finish all the brushes. And then I'm going to show you the next little step I do, because we want these brushes to be very clean. Okay guys, so now what we're doing here is I'm going to take the brushes and this is what I call pre-clean them. And now I'm going to take my hand with some warm water. I want the water to be hot. I want it to be kind of warm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first, the brushes are already wet, right? So I put a few drops of the soap, the Bronner soap, in my hand here. And I'll say maybe about 3 drops. And now I am really going in for the gusto with this. See how white that's getting and how clean. So yeah, the first part was basically a pre-wash. This here, and you can also do this handle if you need. And these are really dirty, so I do need to do the handle and everything. And then I give it a good rinse right under the water. Okay. And I set them on a towel. So after I do that, I give it a shake and I lay it right here on my towel. You guys, we're gonna do this again. We just take it, put the little soap in our hand, couple of drops. The brush is already wet. I'm sorry, you don't need the water. A couple of soaps in your hand. The brushes are already wet, and we're just going. And this is the one that was probably the dirtiest of all, and I use this one a lot. So yeah. And if you get one like this one that's really dirty, and you have to you don't want to misshape them, but you have to maybe rinse your hand like this for the real dirty one. Rinse it off really good because the water should run clear, right? It should run clear. You got one that's real dirty. Again, no problem. We're going to just put those few drops of soap in our hand, and we're going to, again, circular motions. See how the soap is no longer brown. It's now white. And that's what we want. We want our brushes nice and clean so we can just dirt them up again, right? Okay, guys. I'll be back. I have my makeup brushes all here, drying on the towel. And I'm going to let them dry. Might turn them over like that, just as long as they can dry. And they should be dry by the next day. They should be nice and dry and ready for me to put away and store. So guys, if you like this tip of how I do my makeup brushes, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're going to be back in full swing here with lots of great tips for you. And guys, I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.